You wake up knowing today is the day you disappear, not because you're weak, not because you're scared, but because you finally understand the truth in the cartel. Loyalty is just a leash. And the moment you stop pulling profit, they start digging your grave. For years, you were the trusted one, the quiet operator. The man who handled problems before they became headlines. You moved shipments through deserts at midnight, negotiated deals in rooms where no one smiled, and watched rivals vanish without a trace. You told yourself it was survival. You told yourself everyone has blood on their hands. But last night was different. Last night, you saw fear in someone innocent's eyes, and for the first time, it didn't feel like power. It felt like poison. So now you're packing light. No phone, no credit cards, cash only, burn or burned. You delete every contact, wipe every drive, smash every SIM. Because walking away isn't retirement, it's betrayal. And betrayal has a price. By sunset, they'll notice you're gone. At midnight, they'll start calling your name. Not with concern, with intent. They know your habits. Your favorite bar? The safe house you once trusted. They trained you, which means they know exactly how you think. But what they don't know is that you've been planning this for months. You've switched routines, built silent alliances, studied their blind spots. You learned that the only way to escape a machine is to think like the machine. Still, doubt creeps in. What if they catch you at the border? What if someone recognizes your face? What if the man you once called brother is the one sent to end you, because that's how it works? They won't send soldiers. They'll send someone who knows your laugh, your tells, your weaknesses. And as you step into the unknown, heart steady but heavy, you realize something chilling. Leaving the cartel isn't about running from them. It's about living every day knowing they might be one step behind you. But for the first time in years, the air feels different. It's not clean. It's not safe. But it's yours. And even if freedom lasts 1 week, 1 day, 1 hour, it's worth more than a lifetime of controlled power.